Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I am going to show you how to find low competition profitable niches for your no and low content books. So before going to details of this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So someone asked me in the comment section how to find low competition profitable niches for Amazon, and I have recently came across a way to do that. So let me show you that. Just go to Google search and type most uncommon cat breeds. We are going to find niches that are not common. So in this way you can find these are some cat breeds. You can open this link in new tab or open this link in the same tab if you feel like that, and just scroll down and see the names of these breeds. Then copy this and go to Amazon.com, and first, before knowing this, just see the search volume for that. To do this, open a new tab of Google search, copy and paste the keyword. I have a Chrome extension installed that is a keyword surfer, and it says this very keyword has been searched 5,640 times in overall world and 4,400 times in America. So we have generated the first criteria for our low content and low content books ideas. Now we need to validate this idea on Amazon.com. Just paste the keyword here and append a word book or journal in front of this word. The number of results. This very keyword followed by journal. You can also put cat journal. Has only 108 results. This means it is really low competition niche at Amazon. Now we need to look at the bestsellers ranks of mostly books don't have any bestseller rank. This has really high seller rank. This is also very high BSR. So this could be very low demand for that niche. It means people are not buying in that niche. So it doesn't fulfill our third criteria for high demand. Now go back and search for our next, that is American bobtail, like that. Now go to Google and replace the keyword and see if it has a search volume or not in Google. It do have search volume of 2,900 in US. So let's search it in Amazon. It has only 220 search results, and it has BSRs, but not really good BSR. Actually, mostly books don't have any bestsellers ranks. This also means this book isn't being searched by real buyers. So it is also a very low or less profitable niche. You can go back and check some other. Copy and paste here. Considerable search results at 6,600 in US. Now just search this in Amazon. Cat journal. Search results are 176 and no bestsellers ranks. So let's change our main keyword. Uncommon jobs or professions in USA. Now here what this post says, here are the most in-demand jobs. But we are searching for uncommon professions, 20 unique careers. So, art therapist, copy this. Just see in Google if it has any searches. Yes, it do have very high search volume in US and world as well. So let's check out at Amazon if it has any competition or demand. Yeah, it has very good competition, 3,000. But we are looking for searches are less than 1,500 or 2,000. Even though the results are high, you can still create a few journal, high quality journal, and see what happens. You can see this search. This is not a journal or no content book, but it shows bestseller rank. This also has bestseller rank of 700,000. Sorry. So this isn't in high demand as well. Though the niche shows, if you want, you can check it in books as well. Sort it as books. Now we have 2,000 search results, and let's see the BSR ranks. No, it has BSR, but it is somewhat low content book, not no content. But if you feel like comfortable in creating low content books, then you can go in this niche because it has fairly good competition, but if the competition is around 2000 search results, then you can go for it. But the ideally competition or search results should be around 1000 search results or 1500. You can still go in this niche and create some books. And channel, do subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell notifications so that you don't miss any new video from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.